Welcome. If you've ever tried to send a voice message or make a call on Messenger, only to be blocked by a microphone permission issue, you're not alone. Today, I'll show you exactly how to enable the Ask Every Time option for microphone access on Messenger, so you stay in control of your privacy while still enjoying all the app's features. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you control all your app permissions and privacy settings. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or sometimes App Management, depending on your device. Tap on that to see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Now look for the Messenger app in the list. You can usually find it quickly by typing Messenger into the search bar at the top. Once you spot it, tap on Messenger to open its app info page. Next, find and tap on the Permissions option. This section shows you exactly what Messenger can access on your device, from your contacts to your camera, and of course your microphone. Here's the key step. Tap on Microphone. You'll see several options for how Messenger can access your microphone. Choose Ask Every Time. With this setting, Messenger will prompt you for permission each time it wants to use your microphone, giving you full control over when the app can listen in. And that's it. You've successfully set Messenger to ask for microphone permission every time. This way, you can send voice messages or make calls only when you want to, and you'll always know when your microphone is in use. If you ever want to change this setting, just repeat these steps and select a different option. Keeping your privacy in check is simple when you know where to look. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with friends who might need a little help with their Messenger settings. Stay tuned for more tech tips.